Hello everyone. Part 2 Festival in India important question for all competitive exam question লৈ আছো best so বলক বেছি সময় নষ্ট নকৰিবলৈ আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ যোনে যোনে লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ নাই কৰা অতি সোনকালে কৈ দিওঁ যাতে মই এনেকৈ ভিডিঅ' আৰু বনাবলৈ মটিভেট হওঁ থ্যাংক ইউ so বলক what is the primary significance of the Muslim festival of Ramadan so option A feasting with family fasting and Quran revelation pilgrimage to Mecca. Option D, fireworks celebration. So option B is the correct answer. Fasting and Quran revelation. আপোনাৰ এইখিনি মই অলপ ভেৰিফিকেশ্যনৰ কাৰণে কিছুমান কুৱেশ্যন হেৰি শ্বৰ্টকৈ লিখি দিছোঁ পেৰা এটা দ্য টেক্সট ষ্টেট Ramadan people hold fasting for a month. It is believed that the Islamic sacred book Quran was written in this month. So যিসকলে নাজানিছিলে ভালকৈ তেখেতসকলে গম পাই গ'ল so next question next question Eid al-Fitr is celebrated on option kita hol the last day of Ramadan the second option the first day of the Islamic month Shawwal third option the 12th of Rabi al-Awwal fourth the day of Prophet Muhammad birth so answer about the first day of Islamic month Shawwal so next question এইখিনি আপুনি ভেৰিফিকেশ্যনখিনি চাই ল'ব so which Sikh festival commemorates the martyrdom of the Salih Mukti 40 liberated ones Gur Purab Maghi Baishakhi Lohri Maghi is the correct answer so verification Maghi is held to honor the bravery of Chal Mukti who saved their life to defend Guru and Sikh against an imperial army. Next question. The establishment of the Khalsa Panth by Guru Gobind Singh is associated with Guru Purab, Maghi, Vaishakhi, Holi Mohalla. The answer is Vaishakhi. Vaishakhi is the Khalsa Panth was established on the day of 1699. এইবিলাক ডেটছবিলাক ইমান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট মানে একচুৱেলি নহয় কিন্তু অলপ চলপ হ'লেও মনত হ'ব লাগে দেই প্ৰায় ডেটছ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় বাট ইমানো নহয় ইমানখিনি ডেট মানুহ থ'ব নোৱাৰে ন মনত যি হ'লেও হোৱাট ইজ দ্য আখান পাৰ্ট ইন Sikhism so options are a morning procession a community meal continuous recitation of the Guru Granth Sahib a dance performance answer hobo continuous recitation of the Guru Granth Sahib verification the text mentioned Akhand Path is held recitation by singing in Pravat Parish through Akhand Path refer to uninterrupted reading the holy scripture next question Mahavir Jayanta celebrate the part of the first Jain Tirthakar the 24th Jain Tirthakar a Jain warrior a Jain scholar our answer hobo the 24th Jain Tirthakar verification Mahavir Jayanti the 24th and the last Tirthakar of the Jain community Sri Mahavir was born next question where is the Mahamastaka Bhishaka festival held Palitana Gujarat Shravana Vilagola Karnataka Manavi Rajasthan Varanasi Uttar Pradesh answer hobo Shravana Vilagola Karnataka is the correct answer so next question Christmas is celebrated on December 24 January 6 January 25 the first day of Advent 25 December 25 Christmas celebrate kora hoy he was born on the 25th of December Christian people celebrate this day as Christmas Easter is also known as Diwali Parse Navaratri Yom Kippur so answer about Parse Easter is also known as Parse which substance is not used in the Mahamastaka ceremony milk saffron paste honey turmeric powder Honey is the correct answer. The text list mix milk, sugar cane, juice, saffron paste, powder of sandalwood, turmeric, and vermilion, but not honey. Is the correct abbreviation can I can লিখি দিছিলো. So that almost finished. 10 number like last question asile. So আপোনাৰ not বুলি কৈছে দেই, not use আপোনাৰ মহামস্তকা বিশিকা ceremony তাত ইউজ কৰা নহয় honey. So বাকি milk, saffron paste আৰু turmeric powder টো ইউজ কৰা হয়. So বহুত হাৰ্ড এইবিলাক প্ৰনাউন্সিয়েশ্যনবিলাক অলপ অকণমান অসুবিধা হয় পঢ়িবলৈ. So thank you for watching this video. লাইক সাবস্ক্ৰাইব শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিব দেই. Thank you. এনেকুৱা ভিডিঅ' পাই থাকিবলৈ আৰু লাষ্ট গম পাই বেল আইকনটো দবাই দিব যাতে মই এনেকৈ ভিডিঅ' যেতিয়া দিওঁ আপোনালোকৰ ওচৰত প্ৰথম পাওক ভিডিঅ'টো. That's all.